I'm not too big on, it doesn't need to be so I'm braided up to here is good, I think. There's no perfect thing. You braid it to how long you want it to, and then I'm gonna stop here, and the rest I'm going to twist now. Do a twist. And the key to having good twists, you gotta make sure you twist tight where your twist is gonna be. So that's 2. So let's get it done. No more talking. I'm gonna speed this video up, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I will show you guys the results tomorrow.